Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Today we have a package and we're gonna open this package in quite a few different ways. First way, a cube stand. Let's check if the cube stand works. A Pyraminx, which doesn't have a tip, I don't know why. Third, a budget cube center cap without the sticker on it. Fourth, a YJ toolbox.
Bruh.
We're right now abusing the thing, so let's open the package. First we got a YJ timer, RS3M 2020. This box is really small, much smaller than I expected. Daily Puzzles gift card. Thanks 10 at checkout for 10% off. So we got weight 5, and we got DNM 37. And finally, we got the Meilong 4M. Also a white daily puzzle stand, but I mean, it looks much cooler than the black one, not gonna lie. Okay, starting off with the lures, we just gotta open them. And I'm not gonna be trying them yet, I'm just gonna open them. DNM 37 and weight 5 with the tip thingy, but I'm gonna put it back then in the packets. So starting off with the YJ timer, because this is like a really cool timer. So we're gonna use Pyraminx to disassemble this one, well, open the box. Okay, it looks like it kind of worked. It's just the tape which ruins it. Let's open it from this side, which also has tape. Ah, that's amazing. Let's use the center cap. I don't even know. Be right back. So here it is. Here's our timer. I like the padding. It seems really good. If you don't know, this is my first timer. I don't have the batteries though, so I can't really use it right now. I'll make like a video on this timer. Next, the Meilong 4M. I'm really excited for this one. Whoa, okay. So we got the MoYu accessories box. Let's quickly go over that. So we got ourselves a screwdriver, which I really need, especially for a 4x4, because my screwdrivers don't fit inside the 4x4. We have a tutorial, which obviously I know how to solve a cube. We got some people. I don't really know them. I'm sorry if I'm like really dumb and everyone knows this person. I only know like some like really experienced cubers like Paimon. Then we have Leo Borromeo, and then we have the big ones like Max Park. Okay, so whoa. First of all, the colors are like so different to my old one. I love the green, that looks amazing. What the hell? Why does it feel so good? Okay, first of all, it feels a bit sandy. But wait. This cube is like much slower. This cube is pretty slow. And then my new Meilong, it feels so good. It feels like a 3x3. Let's see if I can do a good T-Pam. Maybe it's just like the black internals. It's just the black internals feel like amazing. It's just a bit dry. maybe a bit of setup could make this better. Let's check magnet strength. So it's pretty weak here. I mean, I can still feel it. Okay, this is much stronger. Let's do an oral parity. I'm pretty sure this cube's a bit tight right now. Let's see, line to line here. Cuts easily. And a bit further, not really. Here, halfway through line to line, it can just barely do it. I can feel hardly any lube on the outside. And yeah, the color shades is just my favorite part about this cube. It looks really good. So yeah, I get a green stand as well. Green's my favorite color. So I'm like really surprised. I thought this cube would be like, I don't know. Let's just do a solve on this because I accidentally mocked up on the OLL parity. Yeah, I think the corner cutting is just the only problem right now. But nonetheless, it's a really good cube. And let's see how fast I can spam TPS. Yeah, it's pretty good. So overall, great buy this cube. Like, if you can't get the MBC 4x4, get this. Finally, the RS3M 2020. So I am the most excited for this cube. Like, I've been waiting so long to get my hands on this cube. This time it's a bit of a fatter accessories box considering it was a customization system. Another MoYu stand, which I'm happy about. Let's move this aside. Let's just check this adjustment system. So we got an adjustment system here. We got ourselves a screwdriver, obviously. Extra piece if you lose any for the elasticity. We got a bunch of people here who, again, I don't know. Okay, first the plastic is frosted, but still, not gonna lie, not as frosted as, actually, yeah, it is a bit more frosted than the Meilong M. But that doesn't matter because I kind of like frosted cubes. So let's just move this back here. Do some first turns. I already mucked up that. Okay, yeah, this cube is fast. Considering my main right now is the Dying Tengyun V2, and I thought this cube was fast. This cube is much faster, and I would like to make it a bit slower. I'm not sure if it could be my main yet. Let's check out the system here. Okay, so pretty cool looking system. Let's get our system here and go on to the 9th click. And now let's check out the new setting. It's a bit slow, but I love slow cubes. But for now, it's a very swooshy cube, let's just say that. So yeah, corner cutting is not there, let's just say that. I mean, considering its price, it's like 2 times better when it comes to the price of the Diamond Tengen V2M. So yeah, these are my cubes. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, see ya.